never fit in the lines they drew. Never wore the mask they handed to you. Took the long road full of rain, but I found my fire against the grain. They said play nice, don't speak too loud, but I was never one to follow the crowd. Truth don't shine when it's wrapped in shame, so I lit it up against the grain. Against the grain, I carved my name on windswept cliffs and in pouring rain. Took the hits, but I still remain a voice unbroken, untamed, unchained. I made my way against the grain. Some call it stubborn, some call it pride, but I sleep just fine with the stars as my guide. I lost some friends, I earned some pain, but I never once walked down in vain. Against the grain, I carved my name on windswept cliffs and in pouring rain. Took the hits, but I still remain a voice unbroken, untamed, unchained. I made my way against the grain. And when they write my story down, I hope they say I stood my ground. No apologies, no refrain. I live my life against the grain. Against the grain, I carve my name where thunder rolls and why